Welcome to our channel, Nourish Nation. Today, we're diving deep into the world of anti-inflammatory diets. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or illness, but chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. An anti-inflammatory diet focuses on reducing this inflammation through food choices. So, what exactly comprises an anti-inflammatory diet? It's rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Foods high in antioxidants like berries, leafy greens, and nuts are essential. These foods help combat oxidative stress in the body, reducing inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids play a huge role too. They're found in fish like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts. Spices offer not just flavor, but also powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Take turmeric, for example. Its active compound, curcumin, is known for reducing inflammation. Ginger and garlic also have similar benefits. Including these in your meals can make a significant difference. Conversely, it's important to avoid foods that can increase inflammation. Sugar, refined carbohydrates, fried foods, and processed meats are notorious culprits. These can trigger an inflammatory response, so reducing their intake is crucial. Hydration is another key component. Drinking enough water helps maintain bodily functions, supports detoxification, and even reduces chronic inflammation. Green and herbal teas can also be beneficial, providing hydration alongside antioxidants. Implementing an anti-inflammatory diet doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start by gradually incorporating more whole foods and reducing processed options. Meal planning and preparation can set you up for success, ensuring you have healthy meals ready to go. Remember, an anti-inflammatory diet is a temporary plan and a long-term lifestyle change. By consistently choosing foods that fight inflammation, you're supporting overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more health tips, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.